Reze doesn't carry explosives. She is the explosive. When she pulls that pin, her body detonates and rebuilds itself a second later. So how does the Bomb Devil hybrid actually work? Let's break down the biology. First, Reze isn't a fiend, she's a hybrid. Fiends are devils that hijack human corpses. The human's dead, and what's left is basically a devil wearing a meat suit. Powered as a fiendful devil brain, human body. Hybrids are different. The human and devil fuse together. They share one body, one consciousness. Reze can think, feel, and fall in love like a human, but fight, regenerate, and kill like a devil. That's why she's dangerous. She's not mindless. She chooses to pull that pin. Here's how it works. Reze's transformation trigger is the ring on her neck. Pull it like a grenade pin, and her head and arms instantly explode, then reform in full hybrid state. The science behind this is thermobaric combustion, the same principle behind fuel-air bombs. Her blood acts as the fuel source, mixed with oxygen from the air to create a massive pressure wave. But instead of destroying her body, the explosion is her transformation. Think of it like this. Most bombs release energy outward. Reze's body absorbs the blast, using that kinetic force to restructure her cells into hybrid form. Her devil biology doesn't just survive the explosion, it feeds on it. That's why she can detach her head, throw it like a grenade, and grow a new one instantly. The blast radius becomes her regeneration fuel. Once transformed, Reze can generate explosive blasts from her hands and feet strong enough to level buildings, launch her limbs as missiles that detonate on impact and regenerate without needing blood, use continuous explosions for flight, keeping pace with speeding cars, infuse her punches and kicks with explosive force, turning every hit into a detonation. But she has one critical weakness: water! Explosions require a precise oxygen to fuel ratio. Water doesn't just cool her down, it creates a vapor barrier that disrupts the oxidation reaction, stopping the chain combustion from sustaining itself. That's how Denji beats her. He drags her into the ocean, binds himself to her with chainsaw cables, and pulls them both to the seabed where she can't ignite. No oxygen mix, no explosion. She's defenseless. She was raised by the USSR to be a weapon, trained to kill, never taught to be human. And when Denji shows her what it's like to just exist, to eat ice cream, to learn how to swim in that pool at night, she realizes she's been detonating herself her whole life. Pulling that pin isn't just transformation, it's self-destruction. Every time she becomes the Bomb Devil, she erases a piece of the girl she could have been. That's why the ending hits so hard. She finally chooses to run away with Denji, to defuse herself for good, and Makima kills her before she can even transform. She never got to stop being a bomb. Reze's body is a weapon, but her tragedy is that she wanted to be anything else. If you want more breakdowns like this, check out our other videos, and take care, and stay sharp.